Select a race course.
Advanced.
Please choose manual or automatic transmission. Manual.
Gentlemen, start your engines. And they're underway.
Hello everybody, today I'm gonna start not so long, but it's a fourth step to the mastery, little crash course to the WebSocket actually. I tried to get it to my mind maybe twice or 3 times. It was too hard for me. It's like building a house. You have to prepare ground and then okay, anyway, in order to get the point of WebSocket, you have to know what Asyncio means, what is how coroutines works and how generators works actually. Of course, it's you have to move to the WebSocket step by step. Generators, coroutines, Asyncio, and at least WebSockets. So at the very end we will create command line chat from command line. There will be 2 scripts, one for server, one for client, and it is fun. Yeah, let's do it. So first step today we're gonna talk about generators. What does it mean? What is use case to use generator, and how we can write it in a Python. So let's start from the very beginning. Let's create some virtual environment for our lessons. I prefer ppenv. Okay, and okay, let's create a new file. A new file for testing and learning generator. Test, okay, test gen pi. We doesn't need any additional libraries here, so let's create it from very beginning. Generator could be as 2 forms, like a list comprehension or like a function. Let's start from functions. Function form. Def gen test1. I don't know. N like int it's return star, for example. Okay, and here it will be just for loop for I in n range n, and then here something new in your dictionary. yield n I, sorry, yield I. Okay, let's it be not I times 20. Okay, that's it. And let's use it. Let's use it. How we can use it? Just okay. For example, print list gen test. Oops. Gen test 5. Python Python test gen. Oh, unexpected end of file while parsing. Unexpected end of file. Line 8. Let's Google it. Reached before all code blocks complete. Okay. Def for okay. I forgot one bracket. Okay, so what we saw right now, it's a list in 5 elements, and every elements will multiply on 20. 0 on 20, 0, 20, 40, 60, 80. Okay, that's fine. But it's not so good using for generator thing. Generator actually is a more specific type of iterator that allow us to work nice and smooth with some type of stream. Stream could be internet, like some requests from another entry point. It could be file, it could be some stream from I don't know. It doesn't matter. The thing is, generator allow us working with the data step by step. We get one chunk of data, the next one chunk of data, next one, and so on. If you use it like a list, here. We will create all chunk in a memory. In our case, we don't want it, so in this case we have to reorder it, rework it like a for loop. Again, I in gen test 10 3 print I. Okay, that's it. Okay, let's do something more useful and something more useful for real life. For example, you have a file. This file, a very fat file, like maybe 10 gigabyte on a disk or on something share network internet, and you don't want to get all 10 gigabyte to your local machine or server, and you want to process it line by line, or for example by 10 bytes at the time. So you will create a generator for it. It's very useful. So how we can do it? Let's create a file. Let's create a file. Test.txt, and just dump data for it. Oops. And, okay. Okay. Double Y it's a copy, and P it's paste. Okay, I think that's all. Okay. PC test txt. So 103 lines of this text. Okay, cool. So let's rework our script, and instead of creating a useless loop, we will read a file. Let it be a file name, and here we will create file handler with open file name for reading, for line in f, oops, f yield line. Okay. That's it. This is line. Okay, why we have a... Oh, okay, I see. We will print it with a print command, and it's add /n new character for a new line character. So we doesn't need to add it in a print command. I forget how to do it. Let's ask about it in internet. Print without new line. Yep. Okay, I see it's parameter end. Okay, let's recreate our script. Print and equal nothing. Oh, cool. So let's recap our script. We have generator gen_test with a file name as argument. We open the file as f, and line by line we will return this line to our caller. And when we do it the first time, we enter in this generator in this place. Then we open the file and start a loop. This place will be return control to the caller. And then when we iterate it again, the control return to our generator, and then loop it again for the next line of the file. Make sense? So okay. So let's create a more short version of generator. It's like a list comprehension, but usual brackets. Okay. For example, gen test2 equal okay for line in open file name r line. Let's do it more fun. More fun. Okay, that's it. I think that's it. Keep it simple. So we just change it to gen test2 and run it again. File name is not defined. Okay. File name is not defined. Actually, I don't know how to pass parameter to the generator aka list comprehension. Let's find it out. Python generator list comprehension and pass parameter. Okay, maybe we can do it later, but for now we can just change it to the hard-coded test txt. Gentext2 is not defined. Really? Gentext2. Oh, sorry. It's not callable. Was it? Oh, sorry. Yeah, that's it. So here we have two type of generators, and actually, if we just print it, oops. Gen test2. We will get generator object. This is not a list. What? This is the difference. This is not a list. This is a generator objects like iterator that have to be iterated time by time. Okay, that's it about generator. See you in Coroutines.
A new winner.
Bye.
Welcome to Victory Lane. You made it.